In this video, we'll be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? Now, paintings. Is it not interesting? Look at US import of paintings and sculpture, artwork in general, 6.4 billion. That is what US is spending to import artworks in general. Paintings, 65.5% of the 6.4 billion. Sculpture, 13.6%. Antiques, artifact and antiquities. Antiques is not allowed for export from Nigeria, for example, but you can export in some country. Antiques, 10.6%. Collectors items, 7.14%. Now, there are some artwork that are printed. They are artwork done with graphic artists do an artwork using computers and then print them out. And when this is done, it falls under this artwork print and it's 2.8%. So if you are all over the world and you are looking at exporting to the US market and you would like to export artwork and painting, here is your market, a huge opportunity in the US, $6.4 billion.